fascinating processes happening right under the ocean's surface. Photosynthesis in the sea. Let's get into how it works, who's doing it, and some mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. What is photosynthesis? Alright, first things first. Photosynthesis is the process where organisms use sunlight to turn carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a type of sugar they use for energy, and oxygen, which they release into the environment. It's like nature's way of baking sugar using sunlight. Photosynthesis in the ocean. But guess what? Most photosynthesis on Earth doesn't happen in forests or jungles. It happens in the ocean. In fact, marine photosynthesis is responsible for producing over 50% of the world's oxygen. That's right. More than half the air you're breathing right now came from the ocean. Who are the ocean photosynthesizers? So, who's doing all this work underwater? Meet the phytoplankton. Tiny, microscopic plant-like organisms that float near the surface of the water. Some of the main players include diatoms. They have beautiful, glass-like shells and are super efficient at capturing sunlight. Dinoflagellates. Some can glow in the dark. That's called bioluminescence. Cyanobacteria, also called blue-green algae. These guys are ancient. They've been photosynthesizing for over 5 billion years. And let's not forget seaweeds and marine plants like seagrasses. They also photosynthesize, especially in shallower coastal areas. How does it work underwater? Now, photosynthesis underwater works similarly to on land, but there are some cool differences. Light has to penetrate the water, and not all wavelengths go very deep. That's why most marine photosynthesis happens in the euphotic zone, the top 200 meters of the ocean, where sunlight can still reach. Okay, here are some awesome facts to impress your friends. 1. The Amazon rainforest is known as the lungs of the earth, but phytoplankton are actually the Earth's real lungs. 2. Some species of algae can capture carbon faster than trees. 3. Diatoms produce about 20% of the oxygen we breathe. That's more than all the tropical rainforest combined. 4. Without phytoplankton, the marine food chain would collapse. They're the base of the food web. So next time you look out at the ocean, remember, it's not just water. It's a massive invisible engine pumping out oxygen, fighting climate change, and keeping life on Earth going. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science of our amazing planet. Catch you next time!